Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your shoulders are a masterpiece of stability and movement. Every lift, reach, or shrug you make depends on the amazing teamwork of your shoulder girdle muscles. Let's uncover them all. Deltoid. The deltoid is the powerhouse of your shoulder, originating from the clavicle and scapula and inserting into the humerus. It's a three-part engine. Front fibers lift forward, middle fibers lift sideways, and back fibers pull backward. Supplied by the axillary nerve, damage here can stop you from raising your arm. It's also a prime site for injections. Now the rotator cuff muscles, supraspinatus. Hidden above the scapular spine, the supraspinatus initiates abduction for the first 15 degrees and stabilizes the shoulder. Suprascapular nerve controls it. It's often involved in rotator cuff tears and impingement. Infraspinatus. Below the spine, the infraspinatus rotates your arm outward. Weakness makes activities like throwing difficult. Teres minor works with infraspinatus for external rotation and stabilization, supplied by the axillary nerve. Subscapularis, located in front of the scapula, it rotates the arm inward and prevents anterior dislocation. Upper and lower subscapular nerves supply it. Trapezius. This giant muscle spans from your skull and spine to the clavicle and scapula. Upper fibers elevate, middle fibers retract, and lower fibers depress the scapula. Spinal accessory nerve controls it. Injury here causes a dropping shoulder. Levator Scapulae. Originating from the neck, it elevates the scapula and assists in downward rotation. Tightness can cause neck stiffness, supplied by dorsal scapular and cervical nerves. Rhomboid minor and major. These muscles anchor the scapula to the spine, retracting and elevating it while rotating downward. Weakness leads to winged scapula. Dorsal scapular nerves keeps them functional. Pectoralis minor. Hidden under pectoralis major, it pulls the scapula forward and downward, aiding protraction and stabilization. Tightness can cause rounded shoulders or even compressed nerves and vessels in the thoracic outlet. Medial pectoral nerves supply it. Every shrug, lift, and reach is a result of this perfect teamwork from deltoid's power to rotator cuff stability, trapezius and pectoralis minus subtle strength keep them strong, mobile, and pain-free. If this gave you a clear understanding of your shoulder girdle muscles, like, share, and subscribe for more clinical anatomy made simple and practical for students and professionals.